Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I having one washing machine. It is brand new P-Pass. This machine having problem. You can see this is the problem. While the machine not working at all because the error message is showing E1 error. I'm selecting here any option. Now I'm going to select spin, direct spin, and start the machine. And within few minutes it's showing E01. You can see now it is showing E01. What we can do now, don't be a panic. This is the problem with the door switch. According to this model B-Pass, this problem with the door switch, we have to replace the door switch and we will check, and we will remove the door switch and we will check what was the problem, and we will go to the next step. Now first of all we have to switch off the power, and we have to remove the power plug. Open the gasket. We have to remove the gasket ring here. Gasket ring. After that we can release the gasket from the machine like that. And this is screws, two screws we have to remove. This is Helanki type, and we can remove. And now we can take out those switch. We have to take it out, and like that we have to take it out and remove the. We will check once another more time, and we will give the power again. Now I given power again. I'm selecting direct spin, and we will try here manually. Yes, we will try it. Door switch is already defect. Door switch is not working. Here you can see it is not functioning. And we can replace the door switch, and we will check now. Now I disconnect the power line. I'm going to remove the door switch. This is the door switch. We have to replace the door switch as same, because this is the mount here, and also door switch. This is 220. This opening closing also available here, and 1611 closing, 16 opening. We have to replace the same door switch, and we will check the same door switch, and we will try. Now this one is defect door switch, but I found from my workshop here as same door switch, the same company, same voltage, same designing. But problem, this door switch we cannot fix to the machine because here this mount, this one's big, this is small. But anyway, we will connect us, everything's are okay. Now we will check it is whether working or not, and we will fix to the machine and give him power, and we will check it is whether working or not. And I'm going to fix this one. I fixed already, and now we'll give power. And again I'm going to select direct spin, and we will start the machine, and manually we will try it. Yes, it is already locked. You can hear the noise. The drain pump is working. Yes, it is working. The machine is working. Because two screws are inside, I will remove, and again we will start. Yes, my dear, this is the problem. Door switch already broken, defect, old one. Now I have to do some modification. I will replace this tablet to this door switch. After that, without any problem, we can fix to the machine, because I have to do anyway that modification. This tablet I'm going to replace to this defect one. Defect one I'm going to remove, and I'm going to fix this. I will show you how to do that. And this both door switches are okay, but the problem only here. Because of that, I'm going to replace these two, changing. After that we can use. Now I'm going to replace this one. It's very easy. Here lock. Without damage, we have to remove that one. Now I already released this tablet. We can replace to here. This one no issue. As same we can replace this one also. And I remove this one. This is damaged one. This is okay one. While you are fixing this one, you have to careful this spring. It should be this way, otherwise mechanism it will not working. It's like that it should be. And now we can fix without any problem. Now see, now it will work. Now okay. Now we will fix this door switch to the washing machine, and we will check. Now I'm going to fix door switch to the machine. And I fixed already, and we will start the machine again with spin cycle. Yeah, it is getting locked now. Nice. You can see this plunger is came already up and door already locked. Yeah, our job already done. Now we will fix permanently to the washing machine. And we can fix now. While you are fixing, we have to release the door switch, otherwise now still not released. We have to, until release we have to wait. After that only we can fix. Still not released. door switch permanently. Now we can fix door gasket. Slide that. Finally we test again. I give them power, and again I selected speed cycle 15 minutes. Door already locked. Yes, it's done already. Red motor start. Machine is start. It is done already. We will meet with another video. Thanks for watching my channel.